Good morning, first grade friends. Today is lesson 94 for phonics, and we are going to talk about another digraph today. And so we're going to jump right in with the skill because it is Friday and you've worked hard all week. So echo these words and listen for the sound that's the same in the final position. So we're listening to the end of the word. Glue, blue, clue. What sound do you hear in the final position of glue, blue, and clue? The ooh sound. Very good. Here are the words on my board. What two letters are making the ooh sound? Can you guess? Right, it is U and E. So what do you think UE is? If you were listening earlier, UE is a digraph because there are two letters that come together to make one sound. How do we code digraphs? We underline them. Very good. So I'm going to underline digraph UE, digraph UE, and digraph UE. Now, in this word, the letter E is silent. The letter we hear is the long sound of U. Long vowels are coded with macrons. So we'll put a macron above the U, cross out the silent E. Okay, the next one. The U is making the long sound, the E is silent. And for clue, the U is making the long sound, the E is silent. So in glue, blue, and clue, is digraph UE a vowel digraph or a consonant digraph? It is a vowel digraph because there are two vowels in this digraph and it makes the vowel sound ooh. Very good. Now we're going to talk about three different words. So echo these words and listen for the sound that's the same in the final position again. Hue, rescue, value. What sound do you hear at the end of hue, rescue, value? You hear the U sound. Right. What letters are making that sound in hue, rescue, and value? U, E, U, E. The digraph UE can say ooh, like glue, blue, and clue, or it can say U in hue, rescue, value. So, as always, we are going to underline the digraph. But let's talk about how we'll code this, okay? And so we learned that the long sound of U, like unicorn, is sometimes in the same situation. Long U can say U or ooh. It depends on the sound that comes right before it, okay? So let's look at the last two words on my board, okay? Look at clue and value, okay? If an L comes before digraph UE, like in these two words, UE might say ooh, like clue, or U, like value. So the best way is to just try both sounds and see which one sounds better. So again, we are going to code by underlining the digraph, putting a macron above the U, and crossing out the E. You just have to try both sounds to see which one's the best, okay? Now let's look back over all of these words and see what codes we have forgotten. Do we have any more codes to put for glue? No, that one's good. What about blue? That one is good also. There is a missing code in the word clue. Clue. We need a K back on the C. Clue. Very good. Hue. That one is fine. Let's look at rescue. Rescue. First of all, that C needs a K back. We have another vowel. So we have a V, C, C, V pattern. Uh-oh, we ran out of room. So what should we put above the E? We're going to put a brevy. Rescue. Rescue. And for value, we have a VCV pattern. We're going to put a brevy above the A. Value. Value. All right, so I do have a picture card to go with today's digraph. Let's see if you can guess what's on my picture card. This is something that makes things stick together. We use it to paste paper and other things together when we make art. It can come in a bottle or as a stick. The keyword is glue. When you see this card say glue, ooh. The keyword glue helps us remember the ooh sound spelled with digraph U-E. Underline the digraph, macron above the U, cross out the silent E. So now when we are talking about the spellings for the U sound, we used to say U, consonant E, comma, U. Right? But today, we also talked about digraph UE, which can sound like U. That happens in the final position, so we are going to add final digraph UE. So now we will say U, consonant E, comma, U, final digraph UE. And so we will be practicing that on today's worksheet. Join me there now.